Needs a lift kit. Needs a lift kit. Call Larry. Doesn't need a call Larry. Happy Sunday. I hope you are all doing well. I'm out running errands, filming some content. I want to start this video off giving a shout out to Kurt. Kurt just picked up a van and he's going through it mechanically. Suspension, engine, transmission. He wants to make sure it's reliable when he starts taking his family out in it. And since he wanted to get his suspension checked, I directed him towards Action Van Suspension. I know Larry will treat him well. He had no intention of getting a lift kit, and then he messages me this. That message made me LOL for real. Love hearing from you guys on Instagram, through the comment section on YouTube, or email. He wanted to go through the suspension mainly because he wanted a nicer ride, and he figured lift kit with bigger tires are going to give you more cushion, will improve his ride. Now he has a cool lifted van and a nicer riding van, so it's a win-win. Most of you guys have an Action Van Suspension lift kit or a Weldtech. I have two friends with a Camburg lift, Hector and John. I'm about to share John's van. Nice color. I like that green color on his van, like a military green. Is it OD green? And his Camburg lifted van also has an aux locker. So here it is. Sweet rig.
Should I go for it?
Here's how my aux locker selector is mounted. John has his in here. So I know the 08 and newer Econolines, they have a door pocket that goes into the footwell. So you guys wanting an aux locker, you could mount it similar to how John has it. No door pocket on my van. It's just this pouch right here. So the plan is to meet up with Hector eventually when I'm on the road, and hopefully John is able to show up to one of my lifted van meets. It's nice to see more and more of you getting re-gears and rear lockers. Let's see what these vans could do. Let's see what these vans could do two-wheel drive with the locker. Hopefully some of my 4x4 friends with U-joints start showing up and we could go head to head. That's the thing I want to do with this channel. Feature your guys' van. It's not a vendor channel, so all lifted vans are welcome. All brands, all vans, minivans, full-size vans, Euro vans, all lift kits, 4x4 conversions. I want them all showing up at these meets. Let's have some fun. Another friend I have who's wanting rear lockers, my friend Andrew in New Jersey. He has an Action Van Suspension lifted van, and he put some dually hubs on it. Andrew's looking to get a Yukon Grizzly automatic rear locker. The way that locker works is when your foot's on the gas, both tires are getting power. When you let off the gas, the locker disengages. So when you're taking a turn, you want to let off the gas like when you're getting out of a shopping center and you take a turn, let off the gas, give it a little power turn, and then you'll hear a clicking sound. That's normal. That's the locker disengaged. You could still turn with your foot on the gas. Both tires will have power, so you'll hear a chirping sound. But from the research I've done when I was doing research on rear lockers, the Grizzly, from what I've done research on, is a very good rear locker if you're on a budget. If you can't budget an aux locker, ARB, or a Eaton E-locker, and you want an automatic locker. The Yukon's a good locker, the Yukon Grizzly. So it's interesting how it works. Foot on the gas, you get power to both tires, you let off, it disengages, so that clicking sound you'll hear is going to be normal. So that's your Sunday weekend lifted van talk. Ryan, that makes the ladders, you're next to get a lift kit. Ryan makes ladders, 92 to 07 off-road light bars. He's working on the 08s and newers. I'll let you guys know when the 08 and newer light bars are ready. You guys ask me about it, I got a guy to replicate them. Feel free to message me on Instagram, email me, share your van with me. I love hearing from you guys. Catch you guys later. Have a great week.